Two steps. First is to remove the membrane from optic disc with the help of forceps, thus creating a proper plane of dissection. The second is to create a wedge between central and peripheral retina and induce PVD in the peripheral retina. This helps us to attack the tough epiretinal membranes from all around. Peripheral vitreous acts as a third hand and keeps the posterior membrane held up while dissection. This eliminates the need for bimanual dissection. Again, you can see that the small sphere of influence and low flow rate of 27 gauge cutter avoids retinal tissue being engaged into the cutter while working very close to the retina. The cutter is being used as a forceps, suction and scissors rolled into one instrument. Even a very mobile retina remains quite stable during vitrectomy.